the human rights organization, rights and freedoms of citizens of Turkmenistan.
President, I urge your urgent attention to the ongoing human rights violation in Turkmenistan and its refusal to comply with binding UN Human Rights Committee decision. Turkmenistan presents itself as a neutral state recognized by the UN 30 years ago, but neutrality cannot serve as a shield for impunity. On the contrary, it creates a higher obligation to respect international law and fully implement UN decisions. It is deeply ironic that Turkmenistan recently accused Israel of violating international law, while itself blatantly disregarding the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, a treaty it has signed, and ignoring the Council's own mechanism. On July 9, 2024, the committee ruled in the case of Mr. Geldi Karizov, confirming violation of his rights, including confiscation of his property. Instead of complying, the authorities responded with threats. Following the publication of this ruling, Mr. Karizov and his family received death threats, a clear act of reprisal that undermines international protection. Another case is Ms. Jamal Bazarova, a single mother raped by investigators during detention to force a false confession. Even more alarming is Turkmenistan's practice to abducting its citizens from Turkey, who are then tortured and killed back in Turkmenistan, and today others face the threat of imminent deportation. Therefore, I call upon this Council and the international community to press Turkmenistan to implement the Karizov's ruling and others, condemn sexual violence by state agents, including in Ms. Bazarova's case, condemn cross-border abductions, and prevent further deportation. Thank you.
Adam diyordu, aklına